If you are more than 45 years and attain menopause, pregnancy seems unbelievable, is it? But with the modern techniques of IVF, we can bring back your menstruation and the uterus can be made ready for a pregnancy with a pretty good success rate.
Ke North East Congress Coordination Committee NECCC haka arpulai terek ukala lengkot arhajar arpusau. Kala penlong ya kejingelang ban ya mer jengmut nak bentaki kam ki jela beper bat kumjo ban penrong ikimat rekam manifesto jong keseng Kongres ya ke ba kila penlong haka Queen's Hotel Hyderabad. Barakini kejingelang joginong elam ke NECCC na kaliang ginong mi kimat keseng Kongres na Meghalaya kila ai jengmut ban penrong ru haka manifesto jong ke Kongres ya kemat joginong rep bagi kynduh jeng haka jela. Habakran cikilat Partai Kubor Ma Vincent Pala, Presiden ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee, haka jingdon lang Charles Marngar, Dr. Celestine Lengdo bat kiwe-kiwe. Ule tu bahaka ni kejing kynduh lang joginong elam ke NECCC, na kaliang jongki kum kinong mikmat na Meghalaya. Hapok kalama jong ke MPCC, kila ajing mut ban penrong ya kemat kinong rep. Bat kila ajing mut ru, ba niakran ni kene kejing Bat nak kaliang jongki kum kinong mikmat ki kimi nanti bagi nekamat on salak ban penrong hapok ka manifesto jong keseng.
Kami hanga North East Congress Coordination Committee, hanga North East Congress Coordination Committee nilai suggest lagi jong ke state na North East ke ki benta ban include hapok ka manifesto na Meghalaya i Dr. Celestine Lengdo iba Charles bat iba Manuel Niron lang hatu ka program. Ban i suggest ba namta kinong rep ni de ban penrung ka manifesto nila kerpat ya ki tim manifesto through Rahul Gandhi ban wan sini ban i discuss hakanu kerkom nila ban pensia dan penrung apa ka manifesto jong ka Indian National Congress kata kami bat kiwe ki benta badai bat ka Manipur nila discuss tentang ka badai bat Manipur bat ngatrai in sapa ika tim sa Manipur nang ba ka North East Congress Committee de nang ning initiate way blue naman lagi state panili lang.
Uba Vincent Pala ule toru bahaga ni kejingelang ayok penekaran halor kejing ya kenat aga jela Manipur. Bad halor kejinglong jengman jong ni kejela ke bahaduk menta kinong song snong jong ni kejela kidang don hap deng kejing song sir. Bad lengba kene kejingelang larai bakin sepen mi aka wei ka kenhun ka bakin jet kinong mi kemat ni kejela kathan dalam mingi keban selet cha Manipur. Sho uba Vincent Pala ula kentok teng ru ya ke Sorkar Meghalaya bakam syamla ajeng bet ya ke NECCC ban penlong ya kejingelang ha ke skul ba USTM. Bad de halor kene kejing bam yo jeng bet bagi hap ban penlong no ya kene kejingelang ha Queen's Hotel Hyderabad. Ula ongru bagane kejing le jong ke Sorkar Meghalaya kapan pausai bagadang dehi ke Sorkar kabrang yo jeng betha na Delhi. Bad ula ongru baga BJP kadang tiang ya Rahul Gandhi.
Iki pulit kila ayang lain na try ke BJP hakajingwan jong Rahul Gandhi kila nervous mat singsia Rahul kelamban tang na banta ka Kongres Rahul uwan emban penperahan Rahul uwan ban penyeteli Rahul uwan ban pensiauto dik maiba ba balai uwan ban kanek bat kibru punya kendo bat kibru sengap ngicing jong kibru telado uwan ban sengap ngicing kamde ka ba ngatrai kamde ka ba hanglat iki pacung in the North East tak asam nanti asam mereka ke BJP kala nervous bila ingi de banlong meeting hapo USTM bro de naliang ke government of Meghalaya kita mai permission ingi debat ke Meghalaya government bro kade tang ke kerteng andre dictate na po Delhi dictate na BJP kata ki beri ke de masal tu every vote bagi ai ke NPP kade ke BJP ke jo mati control slowly ke judge beriu ke jangi kadang terkong ke judge beriu ke dang sak control ke judge beriu ni dilut ya ke hok jangi tekene bau Rahul Gandhi uwan ro baka BJP kala sedang ban kene ya ke hok jang baro ki North East kila through RSS kila sang ban rum haki riti ke dustur jangi TBT badai ka mani badai ka no ke benta ke BJP benta kala penrung ke government hamtam kalian ke NDP Kim Don kata ke jingong lani kimla ban defy lani Kim Don kata ke voice namtai pai ba ka betik atum ka direction jong ka BJP kene ke jingkwa Rahul Gandhi ba kino ki bamdon ka ideology kumbade ka bamyade ka ideology BJP ngide ban ya snok lang ngide ban ya perkhat lang ngide ban ya tre lang kena bangin light na kene ka kam ba ka BJP ka boldos sengi kata ke jengmut bila i ba asam kolong menta bila i Meghalaya kini kide ke jing sedang tegajai betul singi kide ban kitia jai betul singi de ban perkhat bhai kene.
You see, you cannot mix language with the tribe and the history and the culture of the people, and you cannot deprive the people just because of official languages and all. In the district council is always Khasi, Garo and Gentiles. So it is not a language, it is a representative of a tribe, number one. Number two, if you see in the existence of the 6th schedule itself, it's with Gentiles. Number three is when we give the awards, if you see they always give representations for Khasi, Garo and Gentiles. That is for Patokan, Tirot Singh and Ukiam Namba. And if you see even in State Central Library, when they have the stones, it is 3 sections rather, or Khasi they have Tirot Singh, Garo they have Patokan, and Jantia they have Kiang. So it's not a question of language, it's a question of the tribes, it's a question of the representations, it's a question of the people of Meghalaya. Today, only because of language, and you say that they are not Meghalaya, I don't think it is so. If you see all over India, if you see all over other areas also, normally the language is a different thing which we use it for different purposes, whereas tribes are used for different purposes. You should not mix, and that justification is not justified actually, it's want to be forcefully justified. I think these are deprived by the leaders of Janta Hills. We have a deputy chief minister from Janta Hills, we have a chief minister from Garo Hills, we have a deputy chief minister from Khasi Hills. That itself, when they justified it what they want, they justified for a deputy chief minister, they can justify it, whereas for the anthems, they don't want to do it. So I still suggest, I still want to request the government to rectify it. Otherwise, the gap will become wider and wider between different communities. That is the agenda of the BJP, and that is the agenda of the NPP along with BJP, to create a confusion among the tribes, to divide the people from languages, divide the people from the culture, divide the people from religion. So I think the government is in the trap of the BJP, and the government is in the trap of the central. I think they have to rectify it. Otherwise, I think slowly people, that ownership of the state slowly will be diluted.